Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So first of all, I'm sorry I haven't posted in like a few weeks. I've been kind of busy with school, but luckily now I'm on my Christmas break, so that means I'll hopefully be able to make a few more YouTube videos for you guys, and I'll also be doing a lot more editing to post on my Instagram account. So if you're not following my Instagram account, I'll put it on screen. You should go follow it so you can see my edits. So as you saw by the title, I am going to be showing you guys how to do the blur by word text tutorial on After Effects this time, because I've showed you guys how to do it on VideoStar, and now since I've started editing on After Effects, I'm going to show you guys how to do it on After Effects. So first of all, just a shout out to xoxo on Instagram, I think that's how you pronounce it. I learned how to do this from them, so go subscribe to them. And also this edit, I'm making an edit right now. This edit is going to be for an account I just joined on Instagram. I'll put the username up on screen. In this account where we edit Rachel in every episode of Friends. We did not think of this. There are loads of our other accounts who do it, so credits to whoever came up with that idea. You should go follow that account on Instagram as well. All of that aside, let's get into the tutorial. First of all, obviously you're going to go up to layer and you're going to go to new and then you go to text. You're just going to type in your text. And then you can go over here and select your font, your colour, loads of different stuff. I'm just having it set to this font, which I actually imported, but you can import so many fonts using the website defont.com. So once you've done that, you might want to change the size or the position, and also I'm going to add drop shadow just for some extra detail. Also just want to quickly trim my clip because it's a bit long. Then what you're going to do is you're going to carry it down on the text layer over here, go to animate and click on blur. So it'll come up here, then add another one, property, and click opacity. For the opacity, make that 0 and make it like around 20, but it's then go to range selector, carry it down on that, and then carry it down on advanced. Go over here to based on, click on this and click words. Then you can just carry it up on advanced and then go to offset, and wherever your person starts talking or where you want it to start, you can just go to that bit. So around here for me, and then click the stopwatch, drag it to where you want it to all be fully like unblurred, about there for me, and then make that 100. And then that is it. So it should look something like this.
Funny. I have absolutely no idea.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Comment down below what tutorials you would like to see me do. Obviously I can do both VideoStar and After Effects tutorials now. I'm mostly editing with After Effects now, but I'm more than willing to give you guys some VideoStar tutorials as well. Have an amazing day, and also have an amazing Christmas if you celebrate it. I love you guys so much. Thank you for 600 subscribers. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!